What is up, everybody? This is Odious Lee, and I am back like baby ribs. Just leaving the gym, and as you can see, it's snowing outside. So I thought to myself I was going to go right home and eat some protein, and then I thought to myself, let me try to make something out of this, So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I had to pick a route while I was in there, so this route is probably going to be short. There is going to be a lot of intervening and disengaging. I'm pretty sure of it. I don't even know if this thing is going to let me engage, not full self-driving, once I get to the street, because these streets are covered. They're slushy. They are white and brown, and you can't see any of the lanes. You can't see anything in these streets. So I'm just testing it to see exactly how it's gonna do covered in snow. I may make it, I may not, but right now my life is in Sally's hands. So let us see exactly what she's gonna do. Alright, so auto wipers, of course, is going crazy right now. Okay. Still in assertive.
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Wayne Road.
Still in assertive because I love assertive, but I put it in chill because I'm scared. So one of these days I'm gonna have to go out and actually, it is letting me put it in not full self-driving. So one of these days I'm gonna have to go out and actually drive on sport and in the snow and see how it does, see exactly what it does. Because on the way to the gym it was pretty fun. It was really, really fun. So I'm gonna engage it here if it lets me.
Now turn right onto North Wayne Road.
And we are about to see what this thing does in the snow. So it has the wheel turned to the left right now, and I don't know why the wheel is turned to the left. So I'm flabbergasted. All right, so we got some room now. Now this idiot is all the way over here when he could have been in the middle. All right, so it's putting me all the way. All right, so okay. So I have to disengage already because it put me all the way like to the curb. I want to see how this thing stops. It almost had me go off it's like a little ditch over there. Almost had me going off of the ditch. Okay, so it stopped. I was scared. I just peed a little, and I had my foot on the brake, ready to take over. All right, I just peed a lot because I can feel it. So as you guys can see, it's all this mushiness. It's changing. Woo! Okay, all right. So it's doing this thing. It's nothing but mush and snow out here, and I guess that's the assertiveness of it. But it is in the lane, I can say that much. I guess it's using vision to see what lane is what. It's getting over to my left for some reason, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna disengage it because it was getting over, and I got cars and stuff over there. So I'm gonna engage it again. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, let's ding that one up. We doing this. We going through this. So let me take that off. use my foot. I have regen braking on because it's working in the snow and on these slippery conditions and all that. So it's telling me to make a left on Plymouth, so I should be good. So I don't want to engage it now. It's probably going to try to jerk me back over to the left like it just did. So I'm going to wait until this light turns green. We have a lot of people behind us. So this ought to be interesting. Oh, man. I'm glad these seats clean up really, really good because I know it's soaked right now. So this is me driving, and you know, the car is doing pretty good itself. I'm gonna wait until this car passes me and re-engage. Now I got a Jeep passing me. I'm gonna wait till the Jeep passes me. Alright, so now we're going, and this thing says, I don't give a fuck if it's snow outside or not. I'm going. But it is going right now. So I don't know if it sees the lane. I can see the lane. I can see the little markings on the ground, but I don't know if the car is seeing the lane. So, good thing it's easy to take over with the steering wheel. Maybe I should take it out of assertive when it's snowing outside. Okay, so I don't know what it's doing. It's doing something. Maybe it's gonna try to get over after this G. Okay, all right. Now that's cool. That's perfect. You know, the person behind me is about 3 or 4 cars behind me, so that was pretty cool. It could have took the turn signal on way sooner, and it could kind of get in this lane. Okay, I don't know what that is. It's getting back over, and I don't know why it's getting back over when it has to make a left right up here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hey, it's like a lot of people out too. So I'm just letting this thing kind of do what it does. I'm anxious to see what it's gonna do at this left turn. Okay, all right. Let me re-engage it. So this is a turning lane right here, but
now turn left onto Plymouth Road.
And this is about to be amazing. This is about to be, oh wow. So I don't know what that car is doing. So it is a car right behind me, and he's literally like right behind me. But I don't know what he was doing, because he was nowhere around, and now he's right up in my ass. So we're about to see how it does this turn. Like I said, I'm hella scared. I'm like hella fucking scared. So it's going, and okay, so that was me, because it started jerking to the right. I saw it jerking to the right, and it was a car right on the right of me. Dang, that Jeep said, fuck that light. Yeah, this is this is some shit right here. So far, I would say, honestly, so far so good, because, you know, it's not driving like how I would drive, but for it to not see any lanes or anything like that, all right, we're really, really slow to accelerate, and that's not being assertive. Luckily, there was nobody. Well, there's somebody behind us, but they're like way, way back. So it's about to do a turn. Okay, now let's see. All right, so that thing got over pretty good. Even with all this mush and stuff out here, it got over really, really good. The only thing is identifying these lanes. Like, I understand it's a lot of snow outside, that's covering the ground so you can't see the lane. But for this thing to be using vision, like, why can't it just see the path, you know, and go off the path? Because it keeps putting me over, like doing that, and it keeps putting me over. So it's like cars on the side of me, especially like right now. Like right now, it's like cars on my left, and it keeps putting me to the left. I'm pretty sure because it can't see the lane, but that's some scary shit. Like, I don't know if this thing would just ram into that car or what, but right now it's obeying. It's been pretty good with stopping. It's been really, really good with stopping.
Now keep right to stay on Plymouth Road.
So it should be no reason why it goes to the left. None. Okay, that was fine. Now we are away from civilization, and it should be some slightly easier driving. Now, I'm doing this right now because we're going at low speeds. It should be easy for this thing to stop. I haven't seen anybody slide into anybody yet, or I haven't seen anybody get into an accident yet, which is good. So I'm going to just keep that in mind when it comes to, you know, driving out here. Okay, it sees the line right there, and it stops right at the line where it's supposed to, where it usually does stop at, so that's good. This truck, nah, it shouldn't. It shouldn't. I think the truck got it. Yeah, that truck said, fuck that light. I'm at the accelerator because it's going a little bit slow through this intersection. I kind of see why, but at the same time, we had a clear coast. So, just so y'all know, this is not the car sliding. The car is not sliding because it's losing traction. The car is literally just, it just doesn't know where to go. And it's kind of scary because it could have you like over there to the right in those little ditches over there somewhere. But let me turn the speed limit down actually. I have it on 5 over. Let me keep it at the actual speed limit. But even with these roads covered, it's kind of doing good right now. Got me to the right a little bit, and I don't. so yeah, that wasn't gonna work at all. Cause I don't know why it was pushing me to the right, where it can clearly see the road. The road, I ain't gonna say the road is clear, but you see the tire tracks and all that where everybody else is, you know, is going. So it's whew. Now you can clearly see this car. I can't see the lane, but you can see this car, and you know, that car is having a hard time identifying the lane. So I'm going to, okay, he turned. So what I'm going to do is re-engage it, and okay, so it keeps doing that. It keeps telling me to take over. Because it can't see the road. There's nobody behind me. There's nobody really in front of me except for that car, and they're all the way up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-engage it. Cause it's gonna, I guess it's gonna keep telling me, yeah. Okay, all right. So, okay, I see why I'm saying it. Cause the lane is over here. So this is the lane, right here. But let me get over here and see what happens. Okay. And it's gonna keep pulling me over there. I kind of see that. It keeps pulling me over there. So I'm gonna keep going. It has a right turn and then another right turn. So I'm gonna just keep doing it to see what it does. Hopefully it learns and says, oh, this is a lane. You know, let me put this back down. We got a light up here. Let's see how it stops at this light. Oh, man. So I had to disengage that. It was putting me in this little slushy stuff. I'm pretty sure it can handle that slushy stuff. Slushy stuff is nothing, but it put me right in the slushy stuff. Now we got a couple. It's a truck or something behind us that's coming up. So I don't know why I just did that. That was pretty idiotic. So my heart is racing right now, and we are about to see what happens on this green light. Oh, he turned in, so we good. All right, so it's going very, very slow. And I don't know why. Oh, okay, I kind of see why it's going very, very slow.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto North Haggerty.
All right, let's see. Beep, 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 beep. Yep. Okay, all right. All right. Now let's see if it does it. Let's see if it at least make this turn. We at least got a clear lane right here. And we got somebody else trying to turn right here. Okay. Okay, all right. So it did slide right there.
500 feet, turn right.
Alright, so that was pretty much it. Oh man. Oh man. So that was pretty much it. I don't know what to tell you guys. Full self-driving, 10.9, and like I said, it's snow everywhere out here. It's just snow all over the place, and snow all over the place, and it you know, nowhere near autonomous when it comes to snow. You know, if it's rain, I've driven this in the rain, and it did perfect. It did perfectly fine in the rain. Perfect. And I was surprised that it did perfectly fine in the rain, because it kept saying, even on not full self-driving, it kept saying that the cameras were blocked. It kept saying that it couldn't see because the cameras had stuff on it, and it was still doing its thing. You know, it was still doing its thing. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, there you go. Okay. What I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna route myself to the safe house and see exactly how it does going to the safe house. Oh, got the pole stuff. Oh, they got chargers over here. I can charge for free over here then. You know, just come over here at nighttime. Oh, come on, man. Come over here at nighttime when nobody's here and just use it. Oh, come on. Use up all they killing. Oh yeah, they got plenty of chargers over here, man. I can't see which charger. This is Odious Lee signing out, and I will see you guys on the next route.